Energy. Perhaps the most amazing thing about energy is that it cannot be defined. Any physics textbook will tell you energy enables physical work to be done. But this definition is unsatisfying. The reason energy is so hard to define is because it's an abstract notion. Energy is always carried by something, usually in form of movement. I'm going to describe what I think about the idea of energy. Energy is something in a body that allows it to move, or that it can move in the future. Pay attention. When the archer pulls the rope, he transfers energy to the ball. Then we know that the ball stores energy, because when the archer releases the rope pushes the arrow that begins to move. Let's summarize this. Energy links a wide range of phenomena and enables us to explain them. Energy exists in different forms, and when something happens, it's likely to be due to energy being transferred from one form to another. Energy comes in many forms. Then we have to know the types of energy. Forms of energy. Chemical energy. The energy is stored in chemical bonds, such as those between molecules. The energy of food is released by chemical reactions in our bodies. Fuels cause energy transfers when they are burnt in an engine or a boiler. Batteries are complex source of chemical energy. Electrical energy. The energy is stored when repelling charges have been moved close together, or when attracting charges have been pulled further apart. Electrical energy is produced by energy transfers at power stations and in batteries. Internal energy. The energy that causes the vibrations of the atoms and molecules of a body. Thermal energy. The energy is spreading out from a hot body. Kinetic energy. Any moving body has kinetic energy, and the faster it moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in a body due to the height in relation to something. When an object is moved higher, it gains gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is stored in stretched or squashed materials. When we compress or stretch a spring or elastic material, the energy is stored in the form of strain energy or elastic potential energy. Other forms. These include light energy and other forms of electromagnetic radiation, sound, and nuclear energy. Energy transfer. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can be stored, or it can be transferred from an object to other object. Energy can transfer or move from one body to another in different ways. Examples. The battery is a store of chemical energy. The energy is transferred through the wires to the lamp, which then transfers the energy to the surroundings as light. Gravitational potential energy is transferred into kinetic energy. Solar panels capture sunlight, solar energy, and convert it into electrical energy. A solar inverter then powers your home in real time. If you install a solar battery, excess energy is stored, chemical energy. Any excess energy that you generate is pushed out to the grid. Hydroelectric power stations use the kinetic energy in moving water. Often the water comes from behind a dam built across a river valley. The water high up behind the dam contains gravitational potential energy. This is transferred to kinetic energy as the water rushes down through tubes inside the dam. The moving water drives electrical generators, which may be built inside the dam. Look at the figure.